This is a VAPORESSO Xros Pro. I'm going to do a little unboxing, see what comes inside the box, and a quick setup of the device. So let's have a look. Inside the box, we have the user manual, the Xros Pro device, the charging cable. We do recommend you use the charging cable that comes in the box to charge the device, and an extra pod. Setting up the device is 5 presses on. 2 presses will turn off and on the light indication. This will show as green when it's above 70%, blue between 30 and 70%, and red anything under 30%. 3 presses will change the mode, so you have power, eco, and normal. 4 presses will come up with clear puff, and again 5 for on and off. The device itself has a lock mechanism, so a simple press up for locking, press down to unlock, and adjustable airflow in the back. The pods of the device come in a variety of different ohms. Today we're going to be using the 0.6. So liquid today, I'm going to be using the self-juice apple and rhubarb, 20 milligram, one of the newer liquids we brought out here at VPZ. A simple snap of the top of the pod, a nice clear pod, pop the liquid into the red dot, give it a little squeeze. With the pod being clear, easy to identify when the liquid is full. Bring that back into the device. Now the device itself, the button on the middle of the device you can use to draw, or is also draw activated.